Want to see your money grow like a magic beanstalk? Everyone wants that, right? Today, I'm going to tell you a secret. It's not about finding a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. It's about making smart choices today for a brighter tomorrow. It's all about planting the seeds of financial success. Intrigued? Let's dive in. It's called SIP. Ever heard of SIP? No, not a refreshing drink, but a systematic investment plan. It's like setting aside a fixed amount of money every month to invest. Think of it like subscribing to your favorite streaming service, but instead of movies, you get units in a mutual fund. Easy peasy, right? You choose how much you want to invest and where. It's that simple. The best part about SIP? It makes you disciplined, like a financial ninja. No more impulsive shopping sprees eating into your savings. SIP helps you invest consistently, regardless of market ups and downs. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. It's about staying focused and committed to your financial goals. Here's a cool thing about SIP. It uses the power of rupee cost averaging. Don't let the fancy term scare you, it's quite simple. When the market is down, you buy more units. When the market is up, you buy fewer units. Over time, this averages out your purchase price, giving you better returns. It's like magic, but with money. Section 5. The power of 1,000, a real-life example. Let's say you invest just 1,000 rupees every month in an equity fund through SIP. Over 10 years, assuming an average return of 12%, you could end up with over 2.3 lakhs. The best part? You didn't have to time the market or invest a huge sum. Small steps, big results. Section 6. Time is money. Let your wealth grow. The longer you stay invested, the more your money compounds. It's like a snowball effect. Your returns generate further returns, creating a virtuous cycle of wealth creation. Remember, in investing, patience is not just a virtue, it's a superpower. Start early, stay invested, and watch your money grow exponentially. Section 7. Don't wait, start today. So, why wait? The best time to start a SIP was yesterday. The next best time is today. Don't let procrastination stand in the way of your financial dreams. Take charge of your future. Start small, stay consistent, and witness the magic of compounding. Section 8. Your reward awaits. Ours 21,000 just for you. As a special bonus for reading till the end, we're giving you a chance to win RC 21,000. That's right. Simply share this essay on your social media with the hashtag #HadSipWithTanmay and tag 3 friends who need to up their financial game. One lucky winner will be chosen randomly. Section 9. Bonus offer 10. Free financial calculators. Want to calculate your potential returns or plan your investments better? We've got you covered. Send a screenshot of your social media post with the hashtag #SipWithTanmay on our WhatsApp number. Provide WhatsApp number here and get 10 free financial calculators. These calculators will be your secret weapons in your wealth building journey. Section 10. Take action now and reap the rewards. So there you have it. You've learned about SIP, the secret to building long-term wealth. You've also unlocked the chance to win Rs 21,000 and get 10 free financial calculators. What are you waiting for? Take action now and start your SIP today. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today.